I'd like to share something with you that I refer to as channeling the old ways or ancients in my ink. Greetings, everyone, and thanks for joining the Inside Arthead podcast. It's here we'll explore the inspiration, motivation, process, and fulfillment of creating art. I'm your host, Roni Zulu, bringing you inspirational stories from artists around the world. I had the honor of traveling to various parts of the world, different countries, and sitting with different tribes and the tattoo shamans of those tribes and learning so much about those people and their ways and why tattooing was a sacred art form to them. And upon learning this, I came back to the U.S. and there was something that was instilled in me that I wanted to impart on anyone who ever got a tattoo from me, and more than just the tattoo. I realized that tattooing for me and what I would like to be for my clients is a ritual. It's no different than back in, thousands of years ago when people were tattooed in tribes and there were certain sacred songs and certain medicines and certain meditations would be happening while the tattoo was being done. I wanted that to be the environment for one that I would get tattooed in, and I'm fortunate that I have been tattooed in those environments, and I wanted to offer that also to anyone who would be tattooed by me. You see, I have this motto, and it's, I never put a tattoo on you. I bring the tattoo out of you. And people might ask, well, what does that mean? I can give you an illustration. Let's say that you happen to be Christian and you come to me and you want a cross tattooed on you. And let's say that I do the tattoo. Now, what do I mean by I pulled the tattoo out of you instead of put it on you? Did me putting that cross on your arm make you a Christian? Or were you a Christian before I put the cross on your arm and it was just a symbol of your faith that's now been brought to the surface? You were already a Christian. Me tattooing a cross on you did not make you a Christian. And that's what I mean by pulling something out of someone and bringing it to the surface. And that's what I mean by not putting a tattoo on you, but bringing the tattoo out of you. My job is to be a facilitator, a conduit to something much greater in the area of tattooing. There's something so profound that I can't really put words on it, and even the person that's receiving the tattoo might not be able to put words on it. But we've heard that phrase, a picture tells 1,000 words, and that's why symbols are so poignant, and that's why they hit home. A symbol of something can encapsulate paragraphs or books worth of material in one symbol. And it's those sacred symbols that I'm interested in, whether they are from the ancient past or if it's something that's created in our current environment. That moves me to tattooing. And that is what I enjoy offering to those who wish to create their own sacred mark.